let's go through my Glow nail polish stash. So let's start with the Nails Ink Glowing My Way. This bottle of this nail polish is not old, but it has faded quite a bit to an orange hue. The application is actually very good and it's quite close to the Dior Nail Glow. Some people sadly are reporting that it yellows after a few days and I have to test it. Let me know if you are interested. I know many people are wondering what is the point of these polishes, these glow polishes. Well, these polishes usually contain, not all of them, and I will show you samples of the ones that don't glow. So they contain fluorescent brighteners or optical brighteners. So the nails appear brighter and they neutralize the yellow in the nails, which nails are naturally a bit yellow, and they also look a bit pink. Many people are asking about the Glossy Glow by Catrice, and by the way, the lid comes off. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this one is brighter. Sadly, I think the video does not maybe show the nuances, but I think you can see that it's quite bright and quite blue. If you do like the purple look, the very bright look, I think you're going to like it, and the price is very reasonable as well. Perfect Formula Pink Gel Coat. This one is so famous probably because it has formaldehyde. So they say that it has keratin, but actually the active ingredient is formaldehyde. Keratin in a nail polish is just a moisturizer. So this one has the active ingredient formaldehyde, which technically it should be listed as formalin because formaldehyde is actually a gas, so it cannot be in a nail polish bottle. But the polish itself dries very well. It looks very shiny and bright. The nails look quite white. But the problem with this product is that it also yellows after 3 days or so. And this one is an example of glow polishes that do not glow. I mean, some people will really like these as well because they look very natural and they just have a hint of pink, or sometimes they're a bit peachy. Actually, I'm not sure if you can tell by the way. This one has what they call Salon Pro Brush. I don't know why, but mine was quite wonky and not very precise. Now the famous Essie. So this one used to be a cool pink when I first got it, and now it's a bit orangey. And I always keep all the bottles of all the polishes in the drawer away from light. It is called Glow and Shine, but it does not have a glow, as you can see. It just has a hint of warm pink, I guess almost peachy pink. And a very similar to Essie is also the very advertised Green Active Glow from Manicures. This one I actually really liked, and I was surprised how I actually enjoyed it because it maintains the pinkish hue and shine, and it lasted full 6 days. I usually recommend taking polish off after 6 days. The bottle looks beautiful. It looks like a candy, no? So let's compare the Dior Nail Glow to other polishes that I have, and let's see which one is the closest. Now, this is the new formula of the Dior Nail Glow. I'm not a fan of it. A lot of people are complaining that it peels, but I do find in the way that it looks very similar to the old formula. So this is half a nail with the Dior Nail Glow and the other half Catrice Glossy Glow. I hope you can see that Catrice is a little brighter and more purple. Like I mentioned before, sometimes the camera does not really show the nuances, so I try to describe them as best as I can. So the reason why I really liked Dior is because it has a very gentle glow. It brightens the nail without looking too blue on the nails. And I would say that the mini macaron is very similar to Dior Nail Glow and actually also maintains the color really well. It does not fade. I was really impressed with this product, and I have a video in the description box in case you are interested. Now the new Nail Glow versus Oh La La from Blue Cocotte. This one also has a very gentle glow. It dried very quickly, and I would say that the look is also very similar to Dior, and I'm still testing it, so let me know if you're interested to find out more how it worked, but so far so good.